Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Now we are going to discuss about the basal ganglia. Which of the following are components of limbic system? These are the options given below. If you have watched our session number 13 about limbic system, you can understand these options clearly. Anyway, let's have a detailed discussion before answering the question. At first, thalamus. Fibers from the mammillary body and fornix reach the anterior thalamus. Thus, the thalamus is a part of the limbic system, and it is correct. Next, subthalamus is a part of basal ganglia and associated with condition called hemiballismus. Hemiballismus occur due to lesion in the subthalamic nucleus and involves contralateral purposeless involuntary movements of proximal nucleus. Since the subthalamus is not a component of limbic system, this is incorrect. Then amygdala, which is responsible for fear and part of a Papez circuit, is a key component of the limbic system. So it is correct. Moving further to hippocampus, which play vital role in short-term memory, and it is crucial part of limbic system. Thus it is correct. Finally, hypothalamus. The mammillothalamic tract of the mammillary body in the hypothalamus is involved in the limbic system. So it is correct. Thus, the components of limbic system are thalamus, amygdala, hippocampus, and hypothalamus. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Generally, basal ganglia has 11 nuclei. Now, we are going to have the overview of 5 nuclei and amygdala. The 5 nuclei of basal ganglia consist of 3 structural and 2 functional nuclei. At first, structural nuclei consist of caudate nucleus, putamen nucleus, and globus pallidus nucleus. The putamen and globus pallidus together form the lentiform nucleus. Next, functional nuclei consist of subthalamic nucleus and substantia nigra located in the midbrain. The amygdala is a part of both limbic system and basal ganglia. The corpus striatum is also known as basal ganglia, which refers to a key developmental structure in the brain. During brain development, the corpus striatum appears as a single structure. However, the development of the internal capsule, which is a projection fiber connecting the higher brain center to the lower brain center, divides into 2 parts. Lentiform nucleus consists of putamen and globus pallidus located laterally, and caudate nucleus positioned medially. The entire structure is collectively called as corpus striatum. The simple striatum consists of caudate nucleus and putamen, which are separated by internal capsule, giving a striped appearance. That's the end of the session. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Cheers.